Hello from Samsung's The First Look 2026 event here in Las Vegas. And we showed you the visual AI companion that Samsung is showcasing over here. We showed you some of the display innovations. And now it's time for audio. So let's jump right in. Okay, so we begin with the Music Studio. There are two different models over here. We have the Music Studio 5 and the Music Studio 7. The key highlight of both of these devices is that they feature Spotify connectivity. It can play lossless audio, 24-bit 44 kilohertz of FLAC on the Music Studio 5. These are also one of the world's first devices to come with Spotify tap over Wi-Fi feature. That means you can play your favorite music on the speakers in just one tap without having to use your phone. And then when we talk about the other model, which is the Music Studio 7, it comes with a 3.1.1 channel immersive audio. It has 4 directional sound and immersive waveguide as well. And it can do 24-bit 96 kilohertz higher than CD quality. So, well, yeah, that's about the music studios over here. Now let's jump on to the other section. Okay, and so over here what we have is the immersive theater experience that Samsung is showcasing. These are the Music Studio 7 speakers. They have 4 of them connected to the TV, and it uses the Q-Symphony technology, which uses the TV speakers and these satellite channels as well to seamlessly offer a proper home theater experience. It can connect via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. So let's look at how it sounds in this demo. Well, and that was a cool one. Let's move to the other section that we have over here. We have the sound tower where you have all these party speakers. So let's listen to them. So this is 240 watts of power along with dynamic bass, and you have waveguide technology, stereo play. You can have group play as well by combining all these speakers together, and there are 3 bass modes as well. So, well, yeah, that was about it. And then we have this all-in-one soundbar over here. This is a 7.1.2 channel all sound. It has a total of 13 built-in speakers. And let's hit the demo.
Sound can place us at the concert hall's front. Like blended instruments, more channels enrich harmony.
Perfect. And this soundbar also supports Dolby Atmos for a real immersive audio experience. Well, and that was all about the audio innovations that Samsung had showcased here at the First Look 2026 event in Las Vegas. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments below.